Go. Hello cool dudes! Today I'm gonna open the Obsidian Flames Build Battle Pokemon box. So I wanna see what's inside, so let's get to it. So at the back of the thing, it says inside you'll find, and it says a 40 card ready to play deck including one of 4 unique foil promo cards. Then it says 4 Pokemon TCG, Scarlet and Violet Obsidian Flames Booster Packs, and a code card for Pokemon TCG Live. So let's open it up. Wow, looks really nice. Wow, look, this is the thing. Now let's open it. So we just open like this, and now we open this. Wow. So inside, they never talked about this, but they gave us a checklist. So we can check off all our cards if we collect Obsidian Flames. Let's put this to the side. Then, ooh, looky here. We got our deck of cards. We'll open this later. Then, here's our 4 Obsidian Flames packs. Okay, so now let's see what's going to be inside of this. Okay, so let's open this up. It looks like a lot of cards. Maybe it might be 40, but let's see. Okay, here's the code card. Let's see the cards we have. We have this card from Obsidian Flames. These are some trainer tips. We have energies. We have a lot of energies. Wow, a lot of energies. We have some fire nummels. We have some other fire cards. We have some trainers. Then what? Why is there a This is weird. It has a Scarlet Violet card in it. Okay, let's see. We have more Obsidian Flame cards, and then we have trainers and items, and yeah. And I guess this is our shiny card. This is our promo card, I guess. So thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe and like at the comment section below. Bye!